Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Gameloop in PC or laptop. Let's get started. If you don't already know, Gameloop is an Android emulator that lets you play almost any mobile game on your PC or laptop. Popular titles like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile, and more. To begin, open up the website browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser. In the search bar, type Gameloop and press enter. Click the official Gameloop website. It should be very first result. At the top of the site, click the download button. This will immediately start downloading the installer onto your computer. Then once the installer finishes downloading, open it and click install. Wait for the setup to complete, and once it's done, Gameloop will launch automatically. Now you'll see a Gameloop library where you can browse and search for games. If you want to play Call of Duty Mobile, simply find it and click install. You can also search for other games like Plant vs Zombies or PUBG Mobile. Once installed, just go to the library, then click open, and the game will launch inside Gameloop. It's that simple. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.